Now come to the next terminology, stock, or you can say inventory. Stock means goods laying in the godown or your store is called stock. Goods which was not yet sold, unsold goods laying in the godown or warehouse is called stock. So stock may be classified as to opening stock and closing stock. Closing stock. Suppose our financial year start from 1st April 2019 to and closed on 31st March 2020. This is our financial year. This is our financial year, which start from April 1st, 2019, closed on 31st March 2020. It's of 12 months. 12 months. Consists 12 months. April to March consists 12 months. So stock on this particular date, first day of the financial year, first day of the accounting period, is known as opening stock. Stock laying in the godown or warehouse on the first day of the accounting period is called opening stock. And the stock laying in the godown on the last day of the financial year is called closing stock. So unsold goods which are laying in the last day of the financial year in the godown is called closing stock. So stock may be classified as opening and closing. So we have to see the stock in the beginning of the financial year. So this is opening stock, and when we see the stock at the end of the financial year, then it is called closing stock. So at the beginning part, this part of the stock which is valued by us, the stock is valued on the basis of cost or market price, whichever is less, whichever is less. Suppose the cost price of the stock is 10,000 and the market price of the stock is at market, its price is 12,000, then we will record at this price, whichever is less. Vice versa, suppose the cost price is 12,000 and market price is, suppose it is 11,000, then we will record at this price, not at this price, then we will record the stock at this price. So cost or market price, whichever is less. This is very important when we do the valuation of stock. Cost or market price, whichever is less. So it may be opening stock when it is valued at the first day of the financial year, opening stock, and closing stock. Stock here means goods which was purchased for sale it again. We are talking about goods. For a manufacturing company, it may be a raw material. So come to the another classification. When it's a manufacturing company, for a manufacturing company, this is for a trading company. Opening and closing stock. Goods which was purchased for sale it again means finished goods which was purchased to sell it in the market. then opening stock and closing stock. For a manufacturing company, what they do, they purchase the raw material. And this raw material is processed through the manufacturing process and convert into the finished product. And the material which is not completed, it is in between the manufacturing process. In between the manufacturing process, neither it's a raw material nor it's a finished product. In between the manufacturing process, then it is called semi-finished product, or it is also called work in progress, stock work in progress. Means this stock in work in progress, not in the form of raw material, neither in the form of raw material nor in the form of finished product. It is in between the process of manufacturing. So this opening stock, it may be opening stock of raw material, opening stock of finished product, and opening stock of work in progress. So for a manufacturing company, this opening stock may be opening stock of raw material. For a manufacturing, opening stock of work in progress, and opening stock of finished product, which is completely processed. Okay. Same with the closing stock of raw material, closing stock of work in progress, closing stock of finished product at the end of the financial year. For a trading company, it's very simple. Opening stock of finished product, opening stock at the first day of the accounting year, and stock at the end of the accounting year which are not yet sold is your closing stock. In the next financial year, here it is closing stock at the big end, and stock in the beginning is called opening stock. In the next financial year, 31st April 2020 to 31st March 2021, this closing stock become the opening stock here. Suppose closing stock over here is 1,20,000. This closing stock become the opening stock for the next financial year. For the next financial year, this become the opening stock. This closing stock become the opening stock on 1st April 2020. 31st March 2020, valuation of stock is called closing stock because it's the end of the financial year, and the same stock now carry forward and come to the 1st April 2020 as opening stock. Okay, and opening stock is valued at cost or market price, whichever is less. Stock is your current assets. Stock is your current assets. It's a current assets. It's your current assets. Okay.